So I really love Burger Factory burgers. Right now we are in Anjuna, but we have a burger factory in Morjim Beach as well. So we been to that place, but that is currently closed and is not open till now. So we are here in Anjuna. Specifically, we drive from Parne to but we will check out this place together and let's see how you like it. So guys, this is how I spend my day, starting with Burger Factory and ending my day with a very nice music and nice vibe, and this is it in a rumble. I hope you like this video, and I will share more flavors of my